A world where machines don't just follow orders but think, adapt, and create solutions as brilliantly as the human mind, or perhaps even beyond. Sounds like Black Mirror, right? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the thrilling and at times chilling realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a concept that could redefine what it means to be intelligent in the 21st century.
What are you excited about in 2025? What's to come?
AGI.
Yeah.
Excited for that. What am I excited for?
Now, before we unravel this marvel, let's anchor ourselves with a fascinating analogy. Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman described our minds as having two systems. System 1, which is fast, instinctive, and automatic, and System 2, which is slower, deliberate, and analytical. AGI, my friends, aims to blend these capabilities, creating machines that can think fast and slow, seamlessly tackling tasks with human-like adaptability and precision. Intrigued? Let's decode this together. Artificial general intelligence is no ordinary AI. While today's technologies like Siri, Alexa, and even self-driving cars excel at specific tasks, they're like master chess players who'd fumble if asked to play checkers. AGI, on the other hand, dreams bigger. It aspires to embody the essence of human cognitive ability, improvising solutions to unfamiliar challenges, just as you and I do daily. Think of it as AI's evolution from a specialized toolbox to a universal problem solver. But here's the catch. AGI is still theoretical. Despite its allure, it remains the stuff of imagination and intense research. The idea is that AGI would not just match human intelligence, it could potentially surpass it. Picture this: a system that processes data at mind-bending speeds, accessing vast pools of information, yet understands cause and effect, navigates physical spaces, and even exhibits common sense, qualities that no machine today fully possesses. Now let's dream for a moment. If AGI becomes a reality, its potential is staggering. It could exhibit abstract thinking, like solving complex philosophical dilemmas. It might master fine motor skills, say, delicately plucking a feather from a pile of leaves. Or perhaps it could interpret language with near-human nuance, navigating the subtle contexts that make communication so rich. Imagine AGI navigating physical spaces with grace, much like how our brains predict movements. Today's GPS might tell you where you are, but AGI could also tell you why you should be there, adapting to unforeseen changes in real time. It's not just intelligence, it's intuition on a superhuman scale. Let's pause for a critical distinction. AGI stands in stark contrast to what we call narrow AI. Today's AI systems are brilliant specialists. They can recommend your next Netflix binge, recognize your face in photos, or even write poems like OpenAI's GPT. But narrow AI is, well, narrow. It excels in specific domains but crumbles outside them. In contrast, AGI would be the ultimate generalist, capable of tackling any problem in any domain without needing human intervention to guide it. It's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a toolbox where each tool is locked into place. Here's where things get both exciting and a little scary. Building AGI isn't just about more powerful algorithms or faster computers. It's about understanding human intelligence at its core. Neuroscientists are exploring neuromorphic computing, which mimics the brain's neurons and synapses. Some researchers lean on Alan Turing's bold assertion that, with infinite resources, any problem could be solved algorithmically. Others debate whether neural networks or rule-based systems hold the key. But let's not ignore the cautionary tales. Visionaries like Stephen Hawking have warned us that AGI could evolve beyond our control, potentially becoming more than a partner. It could become our competitor. And yet, optimists like Ray Kurzweil predict that AGI will usher in an age of unimaginable breakthroughs, where human ingenuity merges with machine precision. So, where does this leave us? Today's AI marvels, like OpenAI's GPT-4 or Google's AlphaGo and IBM's Watson, give us a taste of what's possible. Watson and other supercomputers are capable of calculations that the average computer can't handle. They combine their immense computing power with AI to carry out previously impossible science and engineering tasks, such as modeling the Big Bang theory of the birth of the universe or the human brain. AlphaGo's victory over the world's best Go player is legendary. But remember, it's still narrow AI. Even GPT-4, which can generate eerily human-like text, lacks true understanding. These tools are stepping stones, not the destination. But let me tell you something fascinating. Recent advances in generative AI, tools that create text, images, and even music, are inching us closer to AGI. Imagine an AI that doesn't just compose music but understands cultural nuance, or a legal expert system like ROS that navigates not only laws but the ethics behind them. If AGI were applied to some of the preceding examples, it could improve their functionality. For example, self-driving cars require a human to be present to handle decision-making in ambiguous situations. The same is true for music-making algorithms, language models, and legal systems. These areas include tasks that AI can automate, but also ones that require a higher level of abstraction and human intelligence.
This is the first time ever where I felt like we actually know what to do. Like, I think from here to building an AGI will still take a huge amount of work. There are some known unknowns, but I think we basically know what to go do. And it'll take a while, it'll be hard, but that's tremendously exciting. I also think on the product side, there's more to figure out, but roughly we know what to shoot at and what we want to optimize for. That's a really exciting time. And when you have that clarity, I think you can go pretty fast.
Yeah.
If you're willing to say, we're going to do these few things, we're going to try to do them very well. And our research path is fairly clear. Our infrastructure path is fairly clear. Our product path is getting clearer. You can orient around that super well.
So here's the billion-dollar question. Do we want AGI? Some dream of machines that liberate humanity from toil, while others fear a future where AGI surpasses us in ways we can't predict. One thing's certain, the race is on, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Will AGI be humanity's greatest ally or its ultimate challenge? That's a story we'll write together, one breakthrough at a time. Until then, stay curious. The future is closer than you think.